Hello everyone. In this video we are going to start chapter 3, that is understanding quadrilaterals. First definition is what is polygon. Polygon, it is simple closed figure made up of only line segments. Means if we want to check whether any diagram is polygon or not, we will have to verify three conditions. First condition is it must be simple. Simple means no two lines should cross each other. I repeat, simple means no two lines should cross each other. Closed figure means it must not be open. This word itself is clear that it must not be open. Made up of only line segments means there should not be any curves. Now let us check. Here some diagrams are given. We want to check whether these are polygons or not. Let us check first diagram. Here we want to check whether it is polygon or not. For this I will check first condition of polygon. It must be simple. But here we can see many lines are crossing each other. So it is not simple. As first condition is not satisfied, so we shall not verify further conditions. Means we shall write no, it is not a polygon. After this, let us come to second diagram. Now here second diagram, I again will verify first condition. It must be simple. Here we can see no two lines are crossing each other. Means first condition is satisfied, that it is simple. Now we shall verify second condition, closed figure. Now clearly it is not closed, it is open. So second condition is not satisfied, means this is also not a polygon. Now let us come to third diagram. Third diagram, let us check whether it is simple or not. Yes, it is simple. Why? Because no two lines are crossing each other. Now let us check whether it is closed or not. Yes, it is closed clearly. Now whether it is made up of only line segments. Here we can see these are line segments, but this is not a line segment as it is a curve. So third condition is not satisfied, means no, it is also not a polygon. Now let us come to fourth diagram. Here clearly it is simple. Why? Because no two lines are crossing each other. Now let us check second condition, closed. Clearly it is closed as it is not open, so it is closed. Now let us check third condition. It is made up of only line segments, no curves are there. So all the three conditions are satisfied, means yes, it is a polygon. Let us come to last diagram. Here also we can see yes, it is simple. First condition is satisfied, simple, because no two lines are crossing each other. Now come to second condition, closed figure. Clearly it is closed. So second condition is also satisfied. Come to third condition, made up of only line segments. As we can see, these are made up of only line segments. This diagram is made up of only line segments. All the three conditions are satisfied. So yes, it is also a polygon.